welcome to Hallabol. You are watching our English news bulletin at this moment, and this is Rashmi here with you. Before going to the details, let's have a look at the headlines. The Modi government must give money directly to the hands of the poor and also help the MSMEs financially, demanded Congress leader Rahul Gandhi. Cycling to the Parliament, All India Congress Committee General Secretary in charge of organisation K.C. Venugopal highlighted the problems faced by the people due to hiked petrol prices. The BJP government gifted the people of the country with crises one after other from the onset of their rule. Former Chief Minister of Goa slammed the Modi-led BJP government of hiked petrol prices. Congress leader Bhupen Bora took a dig on the Modi-led BJP government, saying the time when the people of the country are facing severe distress, it continues inhuman torture, hiking the prices of petrol and diesel. In details, the most wrong thing that the Modi government did is that it hiked the prices of petrol and diesel for consecutive 23 days. Former Congress President Rahul Gandhi took a dig on the Modi government while participating in the Speak Up Against Fuel Hike campaign on Monday. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi once again took a swipe at the central government for the rising fuel prices and asked the people to join the campaign against it. Showing strong resentment on rising fuel prices, former Congress president took to Twitter and wrote, "Come and join Speak Up Against Fuel Hike campaign." This is a result after the BJP government raised the prices of petrol and diesel on Monday, a day after there was hike in rates that were increasing continuously for 3 weeks. The government is rubbing salt on the wound of the people by increasing the prices at a time when people are either unemployed or not receiving their salaries properly. Amidst a video message, Rahul Gandhi narrated, "Amid coronavirus pandemic and tensions with China, the center has left the common man to fend for themselves. It is looting the country by increasing the prices of petrol and diesel from the past 21 days. The poor and middle class people are helpless." Rahul Gandhi urged the people to raise their voice against the hike so that it lands on the deaf ears of the government. Former Congress President Rahul Gandhi urged the Modi government to help the common people, especially the farmers, daily workers, etc., by providing economic package directly to their pockets for at least 3 months. This would provide relief to the poorer sections of the country.
सबसे बड़ा और गलत काम किया।
The small and medium industries that contributes 40% employment to the country should be helped by lending security and saved from being bankrupt. Rahul Gandhi urged the government to help them by providing financial packages. But rather than doing this, the Modi-led BJP government gave crores of tax write-off to about 15 chronic capitalist friends.
छोटे और मिडिल बिजनेसेस होते हैं, वो 40% रोजगार हिंदुस्तान को देते हैं। तो हमने सरकार से कहा कि इनकी रक्षा करनी ही पड़ेगी, इनको बचाना ही पड़ेगा, इनको बैंकरप्सी से बचाना पड़ेगा और एक पैकेज देने की जरूरत है। सरकार ने इसका भी मना कर दिया। उल्टा सरकार ने 15 सबसे अमीर क्रोनी कैपिटलिस्ट जो उनके मित्र हैं, उनको टैक्स राइट ऑफ दिया, लाखों करोड़ रुपए उनके जेब में डाल दिए।
He further added, the most wrong thing that the Modi government did is that it hiked the prices of petrol and diesel for consecutive 23 days.
सबसे बड़ा और गलत काम किया। क्या किया? पेट्रोल और डीजल के दाम 22 बार सरकार ने बढ़ाए। 22 बार, एक बार नहीं, 22 बार सरकार ने पेट्रोल और डीजल के दाम बढ़ाए। मतलब
taking a note at the voice of common people of the country, it could be seen that they too have the similar footnotes like Congress leader Rahul Gandhi on the policies of Modi government.
बहुत अजीब लगा क्योंकि मुझे जहाँ तक मालूम है कि पैंडेमिक करके जो बैरल्स या जहाँ ऑयल बनता है जिन मुल्कों में, उनका तो रेट एकदम जीरो पर आ गया था बिकॉज डिमांड ही नहीं थी। ठीक है, अब जीरो से अब जरा सौटा क्योंकि उनको किसी को दुनिया में ऑयल नहीं चाहिए था।
The common people are directionless in this critical situation when every day there is a hike in fuel prices.
1000 का अगर डीजल डलवाता था तो 16 लीटर डलता था। तो आज 10 दिन में ही ये 14 लीटर दे रहा है, 2 लीटर की कमी आ गई है 2 दिन।
मेरा गुड़गांव आने जाने में इतना मैं कमाए ना जितना पेट्रोल पे दे रहा हूँ।
जब रेट बढ़ेगा हम लोग कहाँ जाएंगे, हम लोग तो बढ़ाना ही पड़ेगा भाई, क्या करें।
ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट हल्ला बोल। AICC General Secretary in charge of organization KC Venugopal along with party colleagues rode cycles from their residences to Parliament and back, highlighting the problems faced by the common people as a result of increase in prices of petrol and diesel. General Secretary Organization All India Congress Committee KC Venugopal cycled to the Parliament, symbolically highlighted the problems faced by the people as a result of increase in prices of petrol and diesel. AICC General Secretary in charge of organization KC Venugopal and party colleagues Rajiv Satav and Manik Tagore rode cycles from their residences to Parliament and back. Taking part in the social media campaign Speak Up Against Fuel Hike, AICC General Secretary KC Venugopal wrote, "This is not the first time global crude oil prices have dropped. However, this is the first time that government has refused to pass the benefit on to its citizens and has chosen instead to make them suffer. There is a wider shock and concern among the citizens of the nation over the repeated and unjust increases in petrol and diesel prices as also excise duty over the last 3 months of the lockdown. The extortionate increases have been inflicted on the people by the Modi government at a time when they are facing unprecedented economic challenges on account of COVID-19 pandemic. The central government is profiteering by fleecing the people of India." KC Venugopal, General Secretary Organization AICC, urged the Modi government to immediately roll back the petrol and diesel prices and excise duty increased post 5th March 2020 and pass on this benefit to the people of India in these difficult times. At the outset, the Congress party has also decided to launch a 5-day protest starting from June 30 against fuel price hike in each block of the country. Speak Up Against Fuel Hike social media campaign is trending at number 1 in India and number 3 worldwide. Bureau Report, Halla Bol. Coronavirus is not the only crisis that the people of the country are facing. When the international crude oil prices are at the lowest, the BJP government in India has launched a brand new fuel crisis. Former Minister of Goa in charge of Northeast, Luisino Falerio, took a swipe on the Modi government at the Speak Up Against Fuel Hike campaign on Monday. Former Chief Minister of Goa, All India Congress Committee General Secretary and in charge of Northeastern States of India, Shri Luisino Falerio, addressed the people of the country through a video conferencing on Monday. Falerio slammed the BJP-led government by Narendra Modi, saying that the country has been facing crisis after crisis since the onset of saffron rule. He also mentioned that the crises that the people of the country are facing are not natural but are man-made crises. And the series of crises started with demonetization on 8th of November 2016, which marked the first economic crisis. Worst unemployment crisis, India currency came at the lowest as per international prices, which also affected the gross domestic product or GDP. All the small and medium industries, farmers, MSMEs and many more got affected due to the mismanagement and wrong policies of the BJP government led by Narendra Modi, said Luisino Falerio. Also, GST became a serious crisis, he added.
Ever since the Narendra Modi led BJP government came to power in this country has been facing crisis after crisis. And they are not just natural crises. They are mostly man-made crises. The first crisis was the demonetization crisis on 8th of November 2016. The demonetization crisis led to the
overall economic downfall, distress, poverty, hues and cries of the poorer sections of the society, unemployment are the only gifts showered by the Modi government to the people of India. Former Chief Minister Goa Luisino Falerio said the people of the country got far more affected by the mismanagement and failed lockdown of the Modi-led BJP government than that of the coronavirus pandemic. And now when the international crude oil prices are at the lowest, the BJP government in India has launched a brand new fuel crisis. Luisinho Valerio added, when all the countries are offering economic packages to the people in the crucial time of COVID-19 and Congress High Command Sonia Gandhi repeatedly urged the Modi government to help the people in this crucial time out of humanity, the BJP government is rather on its spree from last 18 to 19 days, increasing the petrol and diesel prices. Also shocking 820% hike in excise duty of diesel could be noticed in last few days. Also 258% excise duty hike in petrol could be seen.
The world have come to the lowest, lower than the break-even point. Government of India, the BJP government has launched a new fuel crisis. Because of this coronavirus, when the world is giving economic package, our own Congress President Srimati Sonia Gandhi has asked for crusade of humanity towards the poor, towards the farmers, towards the needy, towards the unemployed. Government is on a spree for the last nearly 19 days.
In charge of Northeast, Luisinho Valerio took a dig on the Modi government, saying a lot of money have got collected and still counting on the Prime Minister's Care Fund. But where is the money going? He questioned the BJP government under Modi's supervision that why is he not using the money for helping the common man instead of hiking the prices of essential commodities like diesel or petrol.
Prime Minister Care has been getting so much of money domestically from abroad, even from the Chinese businessmen. There is so much of money coming to the Prime Minister's care. Where is this money is going? Why government is not utilizing this money for the common man, for the good of the common man, instead of increasing the prices of the petroleum product?
On behalf of the Congress party, Valerio demanded the Modi government to roll back prices of petrol and diesel and help the common man in this critical time. Bureau Report, Halabol. The Modi government in the centre is not at all the government that the common people of the country deserves. Bhupen Kumar Bora, Congress leader and secretary, All India Congress Committee and in charge of Tripura Pradesh Congress, asked the Modi-led BJP government to answer the hues and cries of the common people facing severe distress. Congress leader and secretary, All India Congress Committee in charge of Tripura Pradesh Congress, Bhupen Bora, protested against the rising fuel prices on Monday along with small traders and farmers in Bipuria, Assam. Responding to the urge of All India National Congress Party, Bhupen Kumar Bora took part in the social media campaign Speak Up Against Fuel Hike. Congress leader Bhupen Kumar Bora took a dig on the Modi-led BJP government in the country, saying the time when people of the country are facing a severe distress out of coronavirus outbreak, where they do not have work to do, are not getting salaries properly and suffering huge economic crisis, the Modi-led BJP government in the centre is inhumanly increasing the prices of petrol and diesel from the last 21 days continuously. The BJP government led by Narendra Modi, acting as deaf and dumb, is not giving any response to the hues and cries of the common man. Along with fuel, prices of essential commodities have also been increased at an alarming rate. This has led to severe hardships of the common man.
বৃদ্ধি পোৱাৰ লগে লগে নিত্য ব্যৱহাৰ্য সামগ্ৰীৰ দাম বৃদ্ধি পাব আৰু যাৰ সমগ্ৰ যন্ত্ৰণা, যাৰ সমগ্ৰ যিটো বোজা, সেই বোজাটো দেশৰ সৰ্বসাধাৰণ গৰীব দুখীয়া শ্ৰমিক ৰাইজে ভুগিব লাগিব। আজি মোদী ডাঙৰীয়াই বাৰম্বাৰ পেট্ৰল আৰু ডিজেলৰ দাম বৃদ্ধি কৰি এই কথা প্ৰমাণ কৰিছে যে এইখন চৰকাৰ সৰ্বসাধাৰণ ৰাইজৰ স্বাৰ্থত থকা চৰকাৰ নহয়। এওঁলোকে কৈছিলে যে 2 কোটি নিবনুৱাই চাকৰি দিব, ঘৰে ঘৰে 15 লাখ টকা দিব, অসমৰ পৰা বাংলাদেশীক খেদিব, অসমৰ বানপানীৰ সমস্যা ৰাষ্ট্ৰীয় সমস্যা ঘোষণা কৰিব। আজি এইবিলাক কথা তেওঁলোকে পাহৰি গ'ল। এতিয়া তেওঁলোকৰ কেৱল বৃহৎ পুঁজিপতিৰ লাভৰ স্বাৰ্থত তেওঁলোকে সাধাৰণ মানুহলৈ পিঠি দি কেৱল সাধাৰণ মানুহৰ ওপৰত মাধমাৰ খুদায়, সাধাৰণ মানুহৰ মূৰত ৰাম টানুন দি তেওঁলোকে বাৰে বাৰে পেট্ৰল ডিজেলৰ দাম বৃদ্ধি কৰি প্ৰমাণ কৰিছে যে এই চৰকাৰ থকালৈকে কেৱল বণিক গোষ্ঠী, বৃহৎ পুঁজিপতি গোষ্ঠী লাভৱান হ'ব আৰু ৰাইজৰ অৱস্থা হাহাকাৰ হ'ব। সেইকাৰণে মই আজি মোদী ডাঙৰীয়াক আৰু বিজেপি চৰকাৰক, অসমৰ বিজেপি নেতৃবৃন্দক মই ইয়াৰ পৰা আহ্বান জনাইছো যে আপোনালোকে
Bhupen Bora alleged this Modi-led BJP government in the centre is not at all the government that the common people of the country deserves. He questioned, what do Prime Minister Narendra Modi and BJP government have against the common Indian? Why is every action of theirs a punishment for the Indian people? Congress leader Bhupen Kumar Bora further accused the BJP government for taking U-turns and making false promises to the countrymen prior elections. He demanded the Modi-led BJP government should turn out to the true facts and work for the betterment of the common people before the time runs out. Bureau Report, Hallabol. Former Pradesh Congress President Gopal Chandra Roy participated in protest demonstration upon the urge of All India Congress Committee Speak Up Against Fuel Hike campaign, rode bicycle on the streets to protest against rising fuel prices in the country. Protesting against the unprecedented increase in the prices of petrol and diesel, protest demonstration has been observed by former Pradesh Congress President Gopal Chandra Roy. Along with other members of the party, he rode bicycle to protest against the hiked fuel prices. While detailing the program of the protest demonstration, Gopal Chandra Roy slammed the Modi-led BJP government in the center for its inhuman and wrong policies and mismanagement. He said it's a matter of shame that the excise duty of petrol prices have been skyrocketingly increased in past 21 days. He added, when the international crude oil prices are low, the Modi government is looting the people by hiking the fuel prices.
তাতে কি হয়েছে আজ থেকে 21 দিন আগে আমাদের পেট্রোলের দাম ছিল 70 টাকা, এখন হয়েছে 80 টাকা 44 পয়সা এই 21 দিনের মধ্যে। ডিজেলের দাম ছিল যেটা 65 টাকা নিচে, এটা এখন হয়েছে 75 টাকা 20 পয়সা। ডিজেল এবং পেট্রোলের দাম বাড়লে মানে পরিবহন ব্যয় বেড়ে যাবে, জিনিসের দাম বাড়বে, জিডিপি ভারতবর্ষে প্রায় জিরোর পথে, ভারতবর্ষে কর্ম নেই, প্রায় 12 কোটি লোক কর্মহীন হচ্ছে, মানুষের কাজ নেই, গ্রামে গঞ্জে খাওয়ার নেই।
Press leader Gopal Roy added he is going to send memorandum to the President of India through the Governor centering the issue of consecutive hike in fuel prices at a row. Bureau Report, Hallabol. Well, that's all for more English Desk at this moment. For more news and updates, stay tuned to Hallabol.